Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Elkhart County, Indiana, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Bristol, Oregon, 7 miles northeast of Dunlap, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Middlebury and Bristol. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 98 and 103. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Elkhart, Indiana. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ57 in South Bend. Visit our website via weather.gov/IWX. This is a special weather statement for the following county: Elkhart.